Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Asada. If you think a cleaver only belongs in the kitchen, think again. We took the classic shape and amped it up for daily use, no matter where that takes you. The finger flipper deployment is seamless with Boss Tech. The ball bearing system delivers smooth, consistent opening every time. The Asada is an EDC folding knife that was designed with style in mind. It's got a cleaver-style blade. The full plain edge and classic shape are perfect for utility tasks, big and small. The frame lock is easy to operate with a patented pinch plate. This keeps the user's fingers off the lock bar, ensuring positive deployment. We incorporated fresh trends, colors, and materials to induce some serious blade envy. It's available in 2 blade materials, 7CR stainless steel or D2. Handle material options include anodized aluminum or micarta. If you're looking to make a statement, look no further. If you're looking to make your friends jealous, we've got you covered there too. The Asada is the perfect daily carry if you're looking to take your pocket style up a few notches. And like all Gerber products, the Asada is backed.
The 0022, a Tim Gallion design. At 4.75 inches in overall length, the 0022 is ZT's smallest model in production. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The 0022 features a carbon fiber front handle, stonewashed titanium back handle, and blue anodized titanium tube spacer. The 1.8-inch blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel with a stonewashed finish. The pocket clip is a reversible tip-up carry. To keep the blade securely open, it uses a titanium frame lock with hardened steel lock bar insert. The smallest knife in the ZT lineup is aptly named after one of the smallest firearm calibers, the .22.
The Paramilitary II distills the full-service cutting performance of Spyderco's iconic military model into a more compact, easy-to-carry package. Its full flat-ground blade is crafted from CPM S30V stainless steel and is available in either a plain edge or fully serrated spider edge configuration. The blade's fully accessible trademark round hole allows swift one-handed opening with either hand, and a textured index finger choil allows a forward position grip during precise cutting chores. The Paramilitary II's handle is built on a framework of skeletonized stainless steel liners that also provide the foundation of its compression lock mechanism. Stronger than a conventional liner lock, the compression lock also allows the knife to be safely and easily closed with only one hand. The handle's liners are nested within peel-ply textured G10 scales to create a slim, open-back construction that is lightweight and easy to clean. The handle also includes a 4-position pocket clip that supports ambidextrous tip-up or tip-down carry, and a large lined lanyard hole.